I want to ask my people this morning, what is your favorite food? I don't want nobody writing nothing. Just call me and tell me, what is your favorite food in America? What is your favorite food in America? No, yeah, nobody with it. Nobody. I'm not going to do it until Sunday. Sunday me do it on Sunday me do it. Sunday me do a topic there. This morning I have something serious I want to talk about one lady where which part of her letter them go read her letter phone this morning. Hey, where is my man there? Anybody see Brother David, Ned Bar? I wonder when me do him, Lord Jesus have mercy. This is my first time. Very inspiration. Sister Valerie Newby. Sister Valerie Newby, welcome, ma'am. Anybody see Brother David, Ned Bar, we say fool? You see one word. Anybody see that man there? Cause him, yes, the man them take a man now bad fast, you know. Anybody see that man there? Good morning. Yo, me nah. Anybody say Brother David? Can I pick out some people and ask them, Kim or Kim?